Good morning, everyone! We're going to Rodeo 39 and Packing House because those two places are known for having a great indoor eating scenery. Let's go! Because I'm starving. Can we please go now?
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head.
We're at Rodeo 39.
Got it locked, I'm the best, well at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, if you up when I leave.
Big bag, I'm in it, I get it, I got it going north, not south, cause I rise when I rap. Bars on flex, let me show you what I'm about. Young black boy from the Ville, I get my city clout. You know singing and rapping, tell your bro I show you passing as a young and they was laughing, now they in the street. Bumping my
Let's eat. Let's freaking eat. And we have a lot more to eat.
Yes.
You's a pretty little Bobby playing every time I got you do. You do. Yeah, you hold me on so softly and you feed me and you watch me. You do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet. You do. You do. Yeah, you pressing on my buttons, you be turning at me on. Yeah, you do. I like the way.
These are the Tenori hand rolls. We got 3 flavors. The first one that we got was spicy salmon. We got honey walnut prawn, and then we also got pork belly. Oh, good.
Is it?
So softly and you feed me and you watch me, you do.
I think you like the honey walnut the most.
Honey walnut's good.
Spicy salmon hand roll from Tenori here at Rodeo 39. Let's try it. Not very good. I think pork belly was the best one out of the 3.
I like the way it feels.
We had the Vietnamese coffee churros.
Oh, so that's why it's unique. Okay.
Yeah.
I like finger-sized churros. I'm gonna dip them in the Vietnamese coffee. Oh, good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, good. Ooh, I like that.
Dip more.
I thought it'd be stronger.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like a really strong coffee flavor, but it's really good.
It's not super sweet.
Yeah. So this is dessert number 1. The next one I think is going to be mochi donuts. And then we're also gonna get ube mac and cheese. I think that's dessert. But we'll see. We'll see if it's just a hype or if it's actually good.
This is an Oreo chocolate mochi donut. I was hoping to try a matcha mochi donut, but they did not have that on their menu. So that's why I opted for Oreo chocolate mochi donut.
Interesting.
It's not like a regular donut.
Texture's different.
Yeah, the texture.
Not super chewy, but the texture is different. For sure.
Texture, I think you can actually get that mochi feel, like you go
Yeah.
on the mochi.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
It's interesting.
What's up, guys? This is probably the last thing I'm getting today here at Rodeo 39. It's from Pasta Lab and it's called the ube mac and cheese. And I added a choice of protein on top and it's the chicken katsu. So let's give it a shot. This was $18. I don't know if I recommend it. The cheese sauce is very soupy. Would I get this again? Probably not.
Delicious.
And what do they put on top? What is that?
They flame torch a cinnamon and they put it right on top. It's not that sweet.
Okay.
Why should you visit Rodeo 39?
Oh gosh, because if you love good food, you just go here and you just choose whatever you're in the mood for. You get it.
They have a huge selection in terms of food.
You have the Asian, you have seafood, you have cheesy stuff, you have hand rolls.
Like they have things like ube and mac and cheese. Like you don't see that anywhere else. And they have so many other things that are like unique.
They have a brewery inside of here, which is pretty wild. There's even an arcade right behind us, which is interesting to see as well.
We are going to Packing House next. kind of the same concept as Rodeo 39 with a lot of food, but different. Ricky said that there was like a garden you can take pictures at, a lot more food too. So we'll see you guys there.
I got a vodka Kool-Aid.
And I got a Moscow Mule. Her glass is fancier than mine.
Yeah, look at it. It's like a tiki.
No, tiki. Tiki man.
Yeah.
It's interesting. It's cool.
We are at a bar inside Packing House,
I believe it's pronounced boxcar.
but it's pretty cool because the bar, it looks like you're inside, what is it?
Like a train?
Like a train. The ambiance feels like you're going back in time, which is really cool. They even have old music as well, so you're gonna try the drink. It's good. It's sweet.
A pretty cool place. We spotted it just by walking by. It looks like a train boxcar. It's pretty dark, like a speakeasy, but it's pretty neat here. Cheers.
No, actually, I subscribed to your channel on my dad's account and my account. We didn't do it. I think it was.
Look at that!
Long time no see.
I know! With this restaurant too.
We have Kyra here, and then we have Michelle here.
What's
Look
up?
how long her hair is.
It's a wig. It's a wig. This guy, I can take it off.
We're your number one fan. Shout out to Kyra, the number one subscriber on this channel.
You'll probably get a freebie or something.
Of course, of course.
Subscribe to Justin's YouTube.
We're teaching Michelle how to pose right now. She's getting a photo shoot right now. Everyone's watching. Look.
Yes, we're the audience.
Like that? Yeah, like that. Everyone's watching Michelle.
Oh my god.
You're like a truck driver.
We're gonna got people over there too.
You're a tiger.
Alright, is it time? Bye. Bye.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even matter.